Dear student, today we are in our second lecture of P block elements. In the last lecture we discussed about some physical properties of group number 15 elements. Here trains of some of the atomic, physical and chemical property of the group are discussed below. First of all, electronic configuration. The valence shell means outermost shell. Electronic configuration of this element is NH2 NP3, means in S orbit there are 2 electrons, in P orbit there are 3. Total number of electrons are 5. The S orbital in this element is completely filled. Yes. S is completely filled and P is half filled, and P contains 3 electrons, means symmetric structure. Can 6 હોય અને can 3 હોય તો it is more stable. Half filled, making there એટલે P3 હોય છે, Px, Py, Pz. કાં તળીમાં એક હોય, otherwise 2 હોય. So there, making their electronic configuration extra stable. Yes. So electronic configuration is extra stable. You can see 2s2 2p3, 3s2 3p3, 4s2 4p3, 5s2 5p3 and 6s2 6p3 are electronic configuration of the P block group number 15 elements. So it makes that element more stable. Now, second, atomic and ionic radius, covalent and ionic both. In a particular state, radius increase in size down the group. There is a considerable increase in covalent radius from nitrogen to phosphorus. Considerable increase એટલે કે વધારો થાય છે, increasing થાય છે. Covalent radius of nitrogen is only 70 picometer. In the case of phosphorus 110, એટલે 40 picometer નું increasing થાય. But in arsenic, antimony and bismuth, radius increases, but increasing is not considerable, less increasing થાય છે. Due to here 3D is filled outermost before 4D is filled, here 4F and 5D filled of before outermost orbital. Due to that contraction occurs. So increasing in radius. અહીંયા D is not filled. Here D and D છે જ નહીં. અહીં D vacant છે. 3D10 fill up છે. અહીં 4D10, 4F અને 5D outermost પહેલા એટલે contraction થાય. એટલે increasing of radius is less. You can see from nitrogen to phosphorus, however, from arsenic to bismuth, only a small increasing in covalent radius is observed. This is due to the presence of completely filled D and F or D or F in heavier members. Arsenic, antimony, bismuth માં radius increase થાય, પણ એ less છે. Reason D અને F completely fill up થયેલી હોય છે. Due to that, increasing in radius is less. Now, ionization enthalpy. We know what is ionization enthalpy. To remove electron from the atom, so we have to apply heat. So needed heat to remove electron from the atom if we are removing only one electron from outermost orbit, first electron we are removing, so that is called the first ionization enthalpy. After removal of first electron, when we remove second one, so second ionization enthalpy. After removal of third two, we are removing third electron, so which is third ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy decreases down the group due to gradual increasing in atomic size from nitrogen to phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Size increases. So attraction on outermost orbit of the nucleus is decreases. Because of the extra stable half-filled p orbital configuration and smaller size, the ionization enthalpy of group number 15 element is much greater than that of group number 14 elements in the corresponding periods. In group number 15, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. In group number 14, carbon, silicon, જર્મેનિયમ, tin and lead. એટલે કાર્બન કરતા નાઇટ્રોજનની વધારે. The reason for that, here is 2s2 2p2, here 2s2 2p3. So 2p3 is highly stable than 2p2. So we can easily remove electron from 2p2 then 2p3. So ionization enthalpy is highest of nitrogen then carbon corresponding. Silicon करता phosphorus, germanium करता arsenic, tin करता lead, antimony and lead करता bismuth. The order of successive ionization enthalpy is expected. Yes, first electron remove करिए तो फर्स्ट आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी करता सेकंड आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी इज मोर. एंड नाउ सेकंड आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी करता थर्ड आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी इज मोर. आना करता मोर होय छे. व्हाई? रीजन फॉर दैट, here 7 proton 7 electron છે. After removal of one electron, the number of electron 6, એટલે 7 proton નો 7 electron પર attraction હોય, એના કરતા હવે 7 નો 6 પર હોય. then after 7 નો 5 electron પર attraction more હોય. so first ionization enthalpy કરતા second and second કરતા third ionization enthalpy is more. You can see first ionization enthalpy, then second and third. So first to second, second to third is highest in every element. The first electron remove करवा जे heat આપવી પડે એના કરતા second માં more, એના કરતા third માં more હોય છે. Now electronegativity. The electronegativity value in general decreases down the group with increasing in atomic size. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth size increases from top to bottom. Here attraction on outermost orbit is highest of nitrogen. So it is 3. Ionization enthalpy of nitrogen is 3, then 2.1, then 2, 1.9, 1.9. Why this happens? Increasing atomic size. Amongst the heavier element, the difference is not much pronounced. 3, 2.1 to 1.9, 1.9. Why? Radius આના કરતાની more છે. આની અને મોર છે. પછી આમાં ઇન્ક્રીઝિંગ લેસ છે એટલે એટ્રેક્શન છે એ લગભગ નિયર અબાઉટ સેમ રહેશે એટલે ઇલેક્ટ્રોનેગેટિવ ડિક્રીઝિંગ છે હેવી એલિમેન્ટ્સમાં ઓછું થાય કારણ કે કોન્ટ્રેક્શન થઈ જાય છે ડી અને એફ છે ઓર્બિટલ નજીક આવે છે વીક સ્પિનિંગ ઇફેક્ટ કહેવાય એટલે ઇલેક્ટ્રોનેગેટિવિટી જે ડિક્રીઝ થવી છે એટલી નહીં થાય કારણ કે સાઇઝ એટલી ઇન્ક્રીઝ થતી નથી સો ઇલેક્ટ્રોનેગેટિવિટી remains near about of the heavy elements. Now physical properties. All the elements of this group are polyatomic. One helium is a monoatomic, dihydrogen is diatomic, two or more than two atoms are present in molecule which is called a polyatomic. So dinitrogen is a diatomic gas. એટલે અહીંયા જે ગ્રુપ નંબર 15 માં ફર્સ્ટ એલિમેન્ટ છે which is gas and diatomic while other are solid. Nitrogen is gas but phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth are solid at room temperature. Metallic character increase down the group. Yes, from nitrogen to bismuth, metallic character increases. S4, Sb4, Bi are polyatomics. જેમાં 4 આમાં 2 એટમ્સ હોય છે polyatomic. આ ગેસ છે બાકીના બધા સોલિડ છે. Nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metal. Nitrogen, phosphorus are non-metal. Arsenic and antimony metalloids. Bismuth is a metal. This is due to increasing in ionization enthalpy. Decrease in ionization enthalpy. Removal nature જેટલો high એટલું જ એનું behavior metallic behavior high. The removal nature of electron is highest of bismuth. Reason for that ionization enthalpy decrease થાય. નાઇટ્રોજન કરતા ફોસ્ફરસ, એના કરતા આર્સેનિક, એના કરતા એન્ટીમની, એના કરતા બિસ્મથ તરફ જઈએ એટલે ionization enthalpy decreases. So electron easily removes. So metallic character, electron remove our nature means metallic character increases. So bismuth is a metal. Increase in atomic size and why metallic character increases, there are two reasons. Decrease in ionization enthalpy and increase in atomic size. The boiling point in general increase from top to bottom in the group. Boiling point increases, but the melting point increase up to arsenic and then decrease up to bismuth. Except nitrogen, all the elements shows allotropy. Boiling point in general increase from top to bottom in the group. Yes, boiling point you can see 77.2, 54, 888, 1860, 1837, but melting point from nitrogen to arsenic increases, but arsenic to bismuth decreases. Here only increasing, only sequence yaad rakhvano છે. We discussed in our first lecture about it. What is allotropy? Except nitrogen. Nitrogen is not giving any allotropes. Like carbon, carbon gives graphite, diamond and fullerene. That is called allotropy. એક એલિમેન્ટ અલગ અલગ ફોર્મમાં મળે એને એલોટ્રોપ્સ કહેવાય. એક્સેપ્ટ એટલે નાઇટ્રોજન ને એલોટ્રોપ્સ હોતા નથી પણ રેસ્ટ ઓફ ધી એલિમેન્ટ ફોસ્ફરસ, યસ ફોસ્ફરસ હોય તો રેડ, બ્લેક એન્ડ યલો, phosphorus occurs in earth crust. Then arsenic also gives allotropes, antimony and bismuth. Except nitrogen, all the elements gives allotropes of it. Now oxidation state is an trend in chemical reactivity. Oxidation state, oxidation number and trend in electroreactivity. What is electroreactivity? Chemical reactivity means reaction nature. Here in group number 15, outermost, generally any element is active or non-active. It depends upon outermost number of electron. Gain करे, lose करे, coordinate covalent bond बनावे, covalent bond form થાય બધામાં outermost electron is responsible for that. Here S contains 2 electrons and p orbital contains 3. So if 3 electron is removed from p, so it gives plus 3 oxidation number. If total 5 is loosed, so plus 5. It has 5 electrons, so it has capacity to gain 3 electron, so it will be minus 3. P માંથી 3 જાય તો plus 3. P માંથી 3 અને S માંથી 2, total 5 જાય તો plus 5. અને 5 છે 3 gain કરે તો minus 3. The tendency to exhibit minus 3 oxidation state decrease down the group to increase in size and metallic character. એટલે નાઇટ્રોજન થી from nitrogen to bismuth, tendency to gain electron decreases. એટલે નાઇટ્રોજન થી બિસ્મથ જાઓ તો એનો ઇલેક્ટ્રોન નો ગેઇનિંગ નેચર લેસ હોય છે. Why? કારણ કે losing nature more છે. એટલે -3 oxidation state predominant in my nitrogen, but in bismuth is metal. It has no -3 oxidation state. Exceptionally, it occurs due to decrease down the group to increase in size and metallic character. In fact, last member of the group, bismuth, hardly forms any compound where -3 oxidation state. bismuth માં -3 oxidation state હોય એવું hardly rare case માં જોવા મળશે. The stability of plus pi oxidation state decrease down the group. Only well characterized bismuth compound is BiF5. The bismuth માં +3 અને +5 બે possible હોય છે, પણ +3 more stable છે than +5. by 5 electron remove કરવા more heat needed હોય, but 3 remove થઈ શકે એમ છે. So +3 oxidation state ની stability increase થાય. From nitrogen to bismuth, +3 oxidation state is more stable. Bismuth in rare case gives BiF5. Here all the fluorine having -1, so bismuth has +5 oxidation state. The stability of +5 oxidation state decreases and that of +3 increases due to inert pair effect down the group. What is inert pair effect? Here 3 electrons, but 3 are unpaired, and S orbital is spherical, P is dumbbell. So attraction of nucleus is more on S orbital than P, and second reason is that which is completed filled paired. આ paired છે, આ unpaired છે, તો paired ઉપર attraction આમ પણ વધી જાય, આમાંથી ઇલેક્ટ્રોન રિમૂવ કરવા ડિફિકલ્ટ થઈ જાય. that is called the inert pair effect. એટલે આ જે S ઉપર ઇલેક્ટ્રોન છે S ના, એના ઉપર attraction high હોય, so it not giving +5 oxidation state, only +3. Nitrogen exhibits +1, +2 and +4 oxidation state also. Yes, now listen. Electronegativity of oxygen is high than nitrogen. So when nitrogen combines with oxygen, so there is +1. In NO there is +2. In NO2 nitrogen having +4. Yes, +1, +2 and +4 in oxide of the nitrogen. Also, when it react with oxygen, we discussed in N2O +1, in NO +2, in NO2 +4. However, it does not form compound in +5 oxidation state. Yes, sir. Nitrogen is not giving a +5 oxidation state having compound. This is the MCQ and 7 or 8 times asked in exam. In the nitrogen, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. In outermost 2s having 2, 2p having 3. D orbital is not present. Second orbital એમાં 2s 2p તો d છે જ નહીં, so આ paired છે. These three are unpaired, so only 3 electrons are participating. Why? Paired electron is not taking participation. So in ammonia 3 unpaired electron combines with the hydrogen and 1 lone pair remains of 2s. Sometimes it donates electron pair to a plus, so maximum 4 bond occurs. So +5 oxidation state is not possible. અહીંથી electron excite થાય, પણ excite થવાની કોઈ possibility જ નથી. Why? D orbitals જ નથી. With halogen, as nitrogen does not have D orbitals to accommodate electrons, NCl3 is possible, but NCl5 is not possible. Here oxidation number +3 here +5. NCl5 never occurs due to absence of d orbitals. Phosphorus also shows +1 and +4 oxidation state in some oxoacid. When we take H3PO2, 2 oxygen means -4, 3 hydrogen +3. So here oxidation number of phosphorus is +1 and +4 also in H3PO3. -6 +3 here +3. In H3PO4 oxidation number is +5, +1 +3 +5 in oxoacid. In case of nitrogen, all oxidation state from +1 to +4 tend to disproportionate in acid solution. For example, here IMP question. In the case of nitrogen, all oxidation states from +1 to +4 tend to disproportionate, means oxidation પણ થાય and reduction પણ થાય. That is called disproportionate. Yes. Whenever nitrogen having oxidation number +1 to +4, so it experiences oxidation reduction both. That is called disproportionation. In HNO2, here nitrogen having oxidation number +3. So when it convert into HNO3 +5, in nitric oxide +2. So from +3 to +5, which is oxidation, +3 into +2 means reduction. એટલે જ્યારે એક જ એલિમેન્ટ of the compound experiences both process, oxidation reduction, that is called disproportionate. Whenever nitrogen having oxidation number +1 to +4, so it experiences disproportionation. Similarly, in case of phosphorus, nearly all intermediate oxidation state disproportionate into +5 and -3, both in alkali and acid. Yes, in the phosphorus having oxidation number intermediate means +1 છે. So it convert into H3PO3. So there will be +5. It convert into H3PO3. So +3. This is oxidation. But when it convert into PH3, so -3. +1 into -3 means reduction. +1 into +5 oxidation. So H3PO2 એટલે phosphorus ની intermediate એટલે -3 અને +5 ની વચ્ચેની oxidation state હોય તો it experiences in the acidic or basic medium as a disproportionation. However, +3 oxidation state in case of arsenic, antimony and bismuth becomes increasingly stable with respect to disproportionation. +3 oxidation state of arsenic, antimony and bismuth becomes increasingly stable. Top to bottom जाओ stable થાય with respect to disproportionation. Suppose any compound is given H3ASO3, H3ASO2. So it is +1. When it convert into H3ASO3, that is +5, +3. In yes, if H3ASO4 is given, there is +5, so it convert into +3. Yes, nitrogen is restricted to maximum covalency of 4. Nitrogen ma 3 electrons are we discussed are unpaired and fourth one is paired. So maximum tendency to form bonds are for 3 are covalent and fourth one is coordinate covalent. 5 bond is not possible. 1s and 3p orbitals are 4. So maximum capacity to forming bonding is 4. D is not present. The heavier elements have the vacant orbital in the outermost shell, which can be used bonding covalency. Hence, extend their covalence as in PF6 minus. Their covalence is phosphorus. In phosphorus, atomic number 15. Neon 10. 3s2 3p3 and 3d is vacant. So 3s contains 2, 3p are 3 and 3d are vacant. So one electron moves from 3s to 3d. So there are 5 electrons. So phosphorus easily combines with 5 fluorine, and here 4d are vacant. So it combines with 4 fluorine, 5 fluorine by covalent bond. And one fluoride ion comes donate electron pair to this orbital and forms a 6 the valency here is 6, here 6 minus the 5 कया बॉन्ड बन से covalent 6 1 क्यों coordinate covalent it gains and d orbital vacant છે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન પેર ગેઇન કરી અને 5 થી મોર 6 બોન્ડ પણ occur થઈ શકે છે. Understood? So many questions asked in exam. Now we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye.